Good day, class. I wanted to go over sixth grade scholars, new format for attendance starting this week, the week of April the 6th. On each class page, there's going to be a link, just like this one here with 602. All right. When I go to 603, there's going to be a link for attendance. Okay. And I go to 604. There's going to be a link for attendance. When I go to 606, there's going to be a link for attendance. All right. Now, with that attendance, just kind of point it out. I'm going to go back to the 602 page, the demo. You're going to click that link. It's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. You're only going to mark a P for that period that you're present for. So then I click on this Google Doc. If this was you and this was the period, make sure the font size is 14 and you would type a P in it. And that's it. That's how we do the attendance. If it's in another class, just to show you how different it might look. So let's say I went to 604 just for a quick second and you click it. And then it's the same thing. You go into it and then the document's going to open up and then you mark your attendance. And 606 just to show you. I'm going to revise the 603 one so that it's working. So then you're going to click on it and then it's going to open up. That's how you do the attendance. Have a great day.